Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi friends, welcome to Science Technical Hub. I am Swarupa and I am here to explain my presentation on shape and color sorting automated system using Raspberry Pi. The report PDF and PPT link is provided in the below description. Please watch the video until the end because the PDF file and PPT is password encrypted, so watch the video carefully until the end. The contents which we are going to discuss are objective, existing system, proposed system and its hardware requirements, implementation process, results and its advantages, applications and conclusion. Sorting plays a key role in any industrial automation, particularly in the field of packaging industries. Sorting of items is done manually requiring human work, but it is time-taken process and cause challenges in maintaining the product quality. In this project, a highly automated system is proposed, which uses Raspberry Pi for detecting the shape and color of the object which are passed through a conveyor belt. Identifying a particular object and place it in a required order is difficult work. Sorting a large number of objects in a small interval of time is very complex task. Sometimes the weight of the object is much larger than what an average human can bear. In our project, the objective is sorting of objects of two different shapes and two different colors. Proposed system. The main objective of this project is to propose a smarter, intelligent and cost-effective object sorting system which categorizes the object based on their respective color and will place them at their designated locations to minimize the cost and optimize the productivity. We have implemented the sorting system using Raspberry Pi interfaced with a camera module along with some side electronic circuitry such as servo motors and sensors. Generally, sorting of items is very complicated process mainly in industries. Here we have come up with new idea using Raspberry Pi technology. These are the hardware requirements for our project: Raspberry Pi, Arduino Mega, IR sensors, servo motor, DC motor, LCD. Implementation process. In this block diagram, we will discuss mechanism and working of each and every component in detail. We are using two microcontrollers. Arduino Mega is used to control the belt mechanism and Raspberry Pi is used to sorting purpose. Here Arduino Mega is connected to the conveyor belt. We require DC motor. It is used for conveyor belt movement. Objects are passed through on conveyor belt. Which object reaches in front of the camera, it will be difficult to capture the shape and color, so we are using the buzzer. It will give the beep sound when it will detect the object. Here 5 IR sensors are there. One is for detecting the object is present or not and another 4 sensors are used for sorting purpose. Raspberry Pi is interfaced with camera. The scanned image is further processed using OpenCV library functions. Here 4 servo motors which are interfaced with Arduino. It is used to push the objects from conveyor belt. LCD is used to display the color and shape of the object. These are the results of my project. The system gives accurate results for purely red and green color objects. Here the system is used to sorting two different shapes and two different colors, so total 4 combinations: circle and square, red and green. These are the some pictures. Advantages of this project. Generally a lot of money is required for paying salaries to the workers, so it reduces the labor cost and it also improves the product quality up to the mark. And completion of the work in less time, human energy can be reduced and reduce the occurrence of expensive errors, increase order volumes without adding proportional labor. These are the applications. The system particularly used in the field of packaging industries, food processing industries, chemical industry and toys manufacturing industry. Conclusion. The shape and color sorting automated system using Raspberry Pi has been successfully designed. By applying the idea of this project, an industry can easily sort the required product according to its shape and color. These are the references. Thank you. Please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.